the SA College of Arts and Science. For admission details, click the link in description.
Good evening, everyone. I welcome all for the Chapters of 7 at Talk Magnet program. This Talk Magnet program is being conducted every Tuesday. So by this week, we follow our same program. First of all, I would like to open up this program with the rules. There are three levels, and followed by the basic, standard, and advanced. Basic level is consist of self-introduction, and standard is a speech based on the topic given to the students. Last, it is advanced, on-spot topic given to a person. So let's start now. First, I call upon the basic students, Mr. Kishore of BCom CS. Kishore?
Welcome, sir.
Yeah, now you can start.
Good evening, everyone. I am Kishore Kumar from BCom CS. I am completing my schooling in Sethu Bhaskara Secondary School. Cricket is my basic interest. My full-time hobby is to work in part-time job in this lockdown. I traveled a lot to admire people and explore new places. I am generally a reserved person and a basic average person to in my studies, but an happy man for my chic. That's all.
Very good, Kishore. Thank you for your time. And definitely you can try the next level of standard too. You can disable your video. Okay. Now I call upon Mr. Syed. Syed, can you enable your video?
Okay. Hello.
Yeah, you're audible. You can start now.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Syed Abu Dahir. I'm from BCom Accounting Finance. I live in Chennai. I like my friends because they are good friends to me and join us. My family has a father, mother, sister, and me. My family is a very good family for me. My college name is SA Arts and Science College. My favorite subject is accounting and English. All subjects are interesting for me. My hobbies are reading books and cooking and playing games with friends. My favorite color is red and black, and I love it. My life. That's all. Okay.
Thank you very much, Syed. And this totally boosts up us, and the strong bond of your friends and family is being shown here. Thank you very much. And definitely you can try the next level of our standard. Okay, thank you. And last, I call upon Mr. Dinesh. Dinesh, can you start?
Yes.
Yeah.
Good evening, teachers and my dear friends. First, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity, and it's pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Dinesh Kumar. I am from Tirumala Vayil. Let me tell about my schooling. I studied at Kalemagal Metric Higher Secondary School. I completed my school.
Continue, Dinesh.
Now I tell about my family. Yes. We are four members in my family. My father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife. I have one brother. He is younger to me. My hobbies are watching movie, listening to music, playing cricket. I am a kind of a person who believes in honest and sincerity. So that was about me. That's
Okay, Dinesh, thank you so much. And really, you have a very good capability of your communication, and you can also try for the next level. And by this, basic level is being over. So then I'll move on to the next level. It is standard, which I said before. Like standard is in standard, I'll give you a topic and a word. So you can speak about the topic by using the words repeatedly, and the words will be counted. So I call upon Mr. Abu Beda from BCA department. Abu?
Hello, I'm audible?
Yeah, Abu, you're audible.
Okay, so let me start.
Yeah. Please enable your video.
Hello everybody. I hope everybody. I hope you all are safe and sorry. I hope you all are safe. So let me start. What's my topic?
The topic is electronics.
So electronic. I am going to talk about the most common electronic device. It is smartphone,
Okay.
and it is normally
And your word is smartphone. Smartphone related.
okay. Okay. So a smartphone, everybody has smartphone. Normally, 90% of the population has a smartphone, and it is nowadays it becomes a basic need for a human being. So, what is a smartphone? A smartphone is a collection of multiple devices which a person uses in his daily life. So, where for what a mobile phone was used in back early days. So it was invented only for communication, but due to the advance of technology, it became so uh, so addictive to everybody. Now people use it as entertainment and other things. For in back days, people don't know what's going in other country or what's going in other what going in other state, but today everybody has a phone, so they can easily check the status or news of any country. And so I'm here to say some facts that when America was launching Apollo 11 to the moon, the computer in that mission used had only 14 kb processing ability. 14 kb processing ability, but today even a 10,000 rupees phone has 6 GB RAM. So technology has advanced at a very very fast speed. So uh, it will be more advanced after 5 years. I would like to conclude that a smartphone is a basic need for everybody, even in business or in a personal life. It is a means of communication, basic means of communication, and I would like to end up here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Abu. And definitely, smartphones are a basic need. And I'm sure that you also replaced the word smartphone to mobile phone. And coordinators, can you say how many times did he repeated this word?
6 times.
6 times. Okay. Any other number?
7.
7. Okay. Will it be increased 6 to 7 or 8? Okay. Even can I ask Abu Bida? Can you say how many times did you use this word?
I think 8 times.
8 times. Okay. Thank you so much. And you have done a very good job, and definitely you can try the next level advanced. So the second person I call upon Jayashree from BCom CS. Jayashree?
Yes.
Yeah, very good evening. And your topic is culture, and the word is food. So you can start now.
Yeah, thank you. Good evening, everyone. I'm S.A. Jaishree from BCom CS department. So the topic given to me is culture. Culture is the total way of life that people in the society are blessed with. Culture is the characteristics of a particular group of people defined by everything from language, religion, food habits, social habits, music, and arts. Through culture, we are governed by norms and customs, which are the pillars of any society. If these pillars are not properly followed in our society, our culture will resemble a perfume with no smell. It's the gradual existence of presenting those norms and customs to people who surround us through music, dance, arts, craft, food, dressing style, languages, just to mention a few. Food presents a way to understand everyday Indian culture as well as the complexities to identify an interaction with the other parts of the world that are both real and visible. In India, with a growing economy due to liberalization and more consumption than ever in middle class life, food as something to be enjoyed and as a part of Indian culture is a popular topic. From a 1960s food economy verging on a famine, India is now a society where food appears plentiful and the aesthetic possibilities are staggering. For most people, food is cultural, not nutritional. A plant or animal may be considered edible in one society and inedible in another. Probably one of the most important things to remember in connection with the cultural factors involved in food habits is that there are many combinations of food which will give same nutritional result. Culture consists of values, attitudes, habits, and customs acquired by learning, which starts with the earliest experience of childhood, much of which is not deliberately taught by anyone, and which so thoroughly internalized that it is unconscious but goes deep. Food habits are among the oldest and most deeply entrenched aspects of many culture and cannot therefore be easily changed, or if changed forcibly, can produce a series of unexpected and unwelcome reactions. Food and food habits, as a basic part of culture, serves as a focus of emotional association, a channel of love, discrimination, and disapproval, and usually have symbolic references. The sharing of food symbolizes a high degree of social intimacy and acceptance. In many cultures, food has a social or ceremonial role. Certain foods are highly prized, others are reserved for special holidays or religious and cultural feasts. Still others are as a mark of social position. There are cultural classification of food such as inedible, edible by animals, etc. In different countries and different cultures, certain foods are considered heavy, some are light, some as food for strength, and some as luxury, etc. So in India, as elsewhere, food culture is shaped by climate, land, and access to natural resources. The food system emphasizes eating agricultural and natural produce in season, such as mangoes and local greens during the summer, pumpkins during the rainy monsoon months, and root vegetables during the winter months. So thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Jayashree. It was quite awesome, and I'm damn sure that you will definitely try the next level of advanced. And I hope for the next week you will be there for in advanced level. And by this, the standard level is over, and now we'll move on to the advanced level. Advanced level, actually, one person is
Word
there.
count, Janavi. Word
Yeah,
count.
yeah, okay. I'm sorry, I just forgot it. And what counts, Srijit Rajeshwari? Did you get any?
I got around 7.
Okay,
I
even I
got
got
around
7.
8.
Okay, let me ask Jayashree. How many did you use? How many times did you use?
It's 8.
It's 8. Okay, we are sorry for that. And Srijit, you're correct. And thank you so much. And now we'll move on to the advanced level. I call Mr. Sivaramakrishnan from second year Viscom department.
Hello.
Please enable your video. Okay. The rule is I'll give you a 1 minute time and a topic. You just think about the topic and whatever you just speak on. And your topic is photograph. Your time starts now. You can think.
Photography is the art application and the practice of creating.
Okay. You can start.
A bit louder, Shiva. Please keep your mic nearby you. Yeah.
Photography is the art, application, and practice of creating durable images by record light, either electronically by means of an image sensor or chemically by means of light sensitive material such as photographic film. It is employed in many fields of science, manufacturing, and business, as well as it more direct uses for art, film, and video production, recreational purposes, hobby, and mass communication. Typically, a lens is used to focus the light reflected or emitted from objects into a real image on the light sensitive surface inside a camera during a timed exposure. A negative image on film is traditionally used to photographically create a positive image on a paper base known as print, either by using an enlarger or by contact printing. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sivaramakrishnan. And it was really a good speech. The topic given to you within a minute, not even with a minute, you just typed before that. and it was really quite good. So now I thank all the coordinators, Raji, Srijit, Udayapan, and also the organizer, TK sir, Tangakumaran sir, and Tangakumaran sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much for the wonderful moderation, Janavishri. It was really a good work, right? Okay, and exactly, thank you to the coordinators, that is Srijit, Raji, Udayapan, and others. So thank you so much for bringing in all these people together. So, I would like to start with the basic level. Kishore Kumar, can you please, enable your video? And yeah. So I have never seen Kishore Kumar in any of the participation. I really feel very happy that how Kishore Kumar has joined. So congratulations, Mr. Kishore Kumar. I'm very happy to see you here. So I wish that I should see you often in many programs. Okay, will you? Good, very good, very good. Fine, thank you. And
Sure, sir.
thank you, dear. Thank you so much. And the next person is Syed Habu Tahir. So I still remember meeting Syed at the first time when he was very hesitant to meet anybody, and he never talks. He just gives a small smile. That's all. Even if we ask a question, he will just smile. That's all. And later on, only I came to know that he is from Tamil medium background, and really today he has done a very good job. So I'm very happy to see you here, Syed. I'm very very happy. So I want you to take part in all the programs like this. Okay. So no, என்ன சொல்றது, தமிழ் மீடியம் அப்படின்ற அந்த பயமே இனிமே கிடையவே கிடையாது. You are also an English medium student. That's all. Clear?
Okay.
Very good. Very good. I'm very happy today. I'm very happy today because of you. Right? And Dinesh Kumar, of course. I couldn't see Dinesh Kumar actually. Dinesh Kumar, can you please enable?
Actually, sir, he works actually.
Yeah.
That's why
I know.
he didn't enable his video.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, Dinesh Kumar. And Syed, I'm very happy. And Dinesh Kumar, I'm also happy in spite of your part-time job. You're participating in this program, and I appreciate your work. And definitely, I will also meet you in several other programs like this. So thank you, Kishore, Syed, and Dinesh. And now we will go to the standard level people. Abu. So I'm very happy to see Abu after a long time. So initial states he was there with me, but I don't know what happened to him in the middle. But now I'm very happy to see him again. And I always like his way of talking regarding a subject. So really good. And at the same time, Jayashree, it was really a splendid speech. You have prepared a lot, and you have really done a great job. And often we give this confusion, that is how many times we have used this word, either 6 times or 7 times or 8 times. Like we always go to the confusion, and at last we will always follow your words. So very happy to see Jayashree and Abu. So thank you for your participation after a long time. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. And Sivaramakrishnan, where is my my dear one, my apple of my eye? Can you enable your video? Yeah. So thank you, Sivaramakrishnan. You really did well. ரொம்ப நல்லா அழகா பேசின. I still remember the first day when you did not enable your video at all in the class. But now I'm very happy that you're volunteering, you're coming so much, and you're opening up. And you know one thing, in the last meeting also, they said your name and then they appreciated me, like because of Sivaramakrishnan, அவனெல்லாம் வந்து வெளியே கொண்டு வர்றீங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு they appreciated me. So it is actually I didn't do anything. I just wanted you to talk. That's all. So you really did well. I wanted you to participate in more programs like this. Okay. Thank you for talking, and thank you for making me happy again. Okay. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. So really, this program has come out very well, and I'm very happy about today. And let us ask a comment from ma'am. Ma'am, do you want to comment, like your ideas, your words, your suggestions? Shivashankari, ma'am. I think ma'am has some. Yeah, she has joined. Yes.
Hello. Yes, sir. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. You're audible, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Really, I'm very happy to be here today. That too, I have listened to many students who have coordinated this. I really want to appreciate the coordinators, and I have just gone through some participants today. They were, I think, Abu, Sivaramakrishnan, Jayashree. They were really superb in what they were doing. As you have told about Kishore Kumar, Syed, and Dinesh, today they might have come like an bloomed one today. I'm very happy about that too. And as you said, an amplify of you was Sivaramakrishnan. I really accept that because his speech was so okay, and within a minute they were doing a lot. So I'm very happy about this. I really congratulate all the participants and the coordinators who coordinated in such a good manner to be here, one among. And I'm very happy today to be with you all. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much. So really very happy to have you all people here.
And Thangakumran sir, you have done a good job too. I'm really what to say, in an uplift mood today to hear all these things.
Okay.
So I'm very happy about these things.
Definitely, ma'am. These students actually energize me. Whenever they do something, I feel energized. That's all.
Okay. I'm not surely known about the names. Might be I have noted some names while they were giving their speech. So through that only I said. And Jayasree's speech was very nice, really. I didn't expect within a minute she would have taken that word culture and she spoke too much. So that was really very good. I really appreciate her for that. And electronics, about that smartphone also, I think it's Abu.
Yes.
He also spoke nice and in the same manner as usual. Sivaramakrishnan, he also spoke well. Okay, so I'm very happy.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sivaramakrishnan thanks you, madam.
Okay, thank you.
he never and ever opens his mouth, but I'm very happy to see him talking nowadays. Actually, he performed the role of Romeo
Oh,
in the drama.
yes, I think I have seen that. Video.
Yeah, that fellow.
Yeah.
That fellow is Sivaramakrishnan.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
So, thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you so much. So I think we can end this Talk Magnet program now.
The SA College of Arts and Science. For admission details, click the link in description.